Replacing toner on the Konica Minolta C3351i. This is a color machine, so it has 4 colors. So when it says that it's getting low on toner, that is not saying to replace the toner. Most of our customers are on our service agreement. We monitor when it's getting lower on toner. We bring toner out plenty advanced before you ever need to replace the toner. So when it says that it's getting low on toner, you might figure out, okay, where's that toner? So when I need it, I have it, but it's not saying replace it yet. It'd be kind of like on your car. It might tell you, hey, you know, the tank's getting kind of low. You're down an 1/8 of a tank. You may want to think about getting gasoline. You wouldn't drain all the rest of your gasoline just to fill it in your tank to put it back in. Well, that's kind of what you would be doing if you replace the toner just because it says it's getting low on toner. So when the machine is getting low on toner, you're going to get a warning on the machine. It's going to say getting low on yellow toner. Not saying replace it, it's just saying it's getting low. So when we actually go to replace it, you can open up the front of the machine because it's going to say replace the toner. I don't mean to beat a dead horse, but we have people that do this sometimes. It's bad for the environment. It's bad for the overall service agreement. Eventually we'll have to increase the cost of a service contract if people keep throwing toner away. So when it says replace the toner, just replace, not that's low. So if it said replace yellow, you're going to replace yellow. If it said replace cyan, replace cyan. But if it said low on magenta, don't replace it. Wait until it says replace it. Low is not the same thing as replace.